Top 12 Coolest Amazon Gadgets. In the ever-evolving landscape of technological innovation, Amazon stands at the forefront, offering an array of gadgets that redefine the boundaries of convenience, efficiency, and entertainment. From cutting-edge smart devices to futuristic tools that seamlessly integrate into our daily lives, Amazon's collection of gadgets embodies the spirit of ingenuity. These gadgets not only showcase the latest advancements in technology, but also reflect a commitment to enhancing the user experience. In this fast-paced world of innovation, let's explore some of the coolest Amazon gadgets that have captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts and are shaping the future of smart living. Number 12. Chefman Portable Refrigerator. The Chefman Portable Refrigerator stands as a culinary marvel, redefining convenience in the world of food storage. This compact yet powerful device is a game-changer for those on the go, providing a portable solution to keep your perishables fresh and beverages cold wherever your adventures take you. Sporting a sleek and modern design, the Chefman Portable Refrigerator boasts impressive functionality, featuring both warming and cooling modes. Whether you're heading on a road trip, camping expedition, or just need an extra fridge at work, this gadget ensures that your favorite snacks or chilled drinks are always within arm's reach. With its versatility and compact size, the Chefman Portable Refrigerator is an indispensable companion for food enthusiasts and travel aficionados alike, ensuring that a refreshing sip or a delicious treat is never far away. Number 11. BirdFight. The BirdFight appears to be an innovative gadget designed for bird enthusiasts, introducing a unique blend of technology and nature. Positioned as the world's first bird feeder camera with auto-eye recognition, this device brings a new dimension to birdwatching. Its versatile installation options, allowing placement on walls, trees, or tables, make it adaptable to various environments. The wireless system and impressive year-long battery life ensure hassle-free operation. With a straightforward setup involving plugging in an SD card and filling up over a liter of bird food, the BirdFight promises a seamless and magical experience, capturing the beauty of birds with the aid of cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or simply looking to connect with nature, this gadget adds an exciting and tech-savvy twist to the timeless joy of bird feeding. Number 10. NetView. The NetView app enhances the birdwatching experience, allowing users to effortlessly monitor and share those special moments captured on camera. Whether it's a rare bird visit or a unique behavior, this app serves as a platform to share these delightful occurrences with friends and family. What sets NetView apart is its remarkable recognition capability, identifying over 6,000 species of birds. The camera, equipped with both video and picture capture functionalities, transforms birdwatching into an educational experience. The integration with Alexa adds a convenient voice-controlled aspect to the system. Number 9. Switchbot. The Switchbot Smart Curtain Opener is a revolutionary solution for those who find the task of opening or closing curtains inconvenient, or for individuals facing mobility challenges. Priced at around $100, this innovative device offers a budget-friendly option to transform regular curtains into smart ones within just 30 seconds. What makes it stand out is its user-friendly installation process, which requires no tools or the need to replace existing curtain rails. The Smart Curtain Opener enhances sleep quality by allowing users to wake up to natural sunlight. Furthermore, its programmable timers ensure that your curtains align with your preferred schedule. The device also supports a touch-and-go feature, enabling users to manually pull the curtains slightly while the robot takes over to complete the task. Number 8. Smart Book Light. The Smart Book Light by Jinko represents a perfect fusion of artistry and technology. Disguised as a fabric-covered notebook, when closed, this clever item transforms into a captivating sculpture upon opening, emitting a soft and warm ambient LED light through its pages. The exquisite design allows the book light to unfold fully, offering a 360-degree illumination experience made possible by ingeniously concealed magnets. This smart book light is not just aesthetically pleasing, it's also highly functional. It comes equipped with a micro USB charger for convenient charging and boasts an impressive battery life of up to 8 hours. The long-lasting LED lights contribute to creating a delightful atmosphere. What sets it apart is its construction, crafted with resilient and water-resistant Tivik pages, each meticulously handcrafted for durability. Versatility is a key feature of this smart book light, making it highly portable. Number 7. Edge Pro. When it's time to elevate your work setup, Edge Pro emerges as a game-changer, offering a comprehensive range of products designed to revolutionize your tech environment. The Edge Pro ecosystem introduces a truly modular experience, providing users with the ability to physically connect their devices in virtually any imaginable configuration. This innovative system allows you to attach your phone to your laptop for an additional screen, connect a tablet, or explore various combinations, thanks to surprisingly strong magnets strategically placed beneath a rubber-coated pad for enhanced grip and protection. The ultra-thin design ensures it seamlessly integrates into your workspace without becoming obtrusive, with the versatility to attach to a multitude of surfaces. Number 6. Inverted lighter. If you've ever endured the discomfort of singing your fingers while attempting to light a candle with a conventional lighter, the inverted lighter from Dissim offers a solution that ensures you'll never feel that pain again. Diverging from traditional lighters, the Dissim lighter boasts an inverted design, producing the flame at the bottom rather than the top. This unique configuration keeps your fingers and hands at a safe distance from the fire, significantly reducing the risk of accidental burns or injuries. The patented circle grip design adds to the practicality, making it easy to use in various orientations. Ideal for lighting candles, pipes, grills, and other objects from different angles, the inverted lighter from Dissim is a smart choice for those looking to avoid burns and enhance safety during everyday tasks. Don't get burned? Opt for the innovative solution provided by the inverted lighter. Number 5. Gyror C2. This electric bike, available on the e-commerce giant, is not just a means to get from point A to B. It's a sleek and efficient ride that combines style and functionality. The Gyror C2 comes equipped with high-quality mounts and premium accessories, ensuring durability and reliability throughout your journeys, foreign and domestic alike. Powered by a 450-watt motor, the C2 allows you to cover up to 20 miles on a single charge. Its multiple speed modes provide a customizable riding experience, while the LED display keeps you informed about crucial metrics such as speed and battery level. The bike's streamlined design adds a touch of elegance to your commute. What sets the Gyror C2 apart is its unique folding design, facilitating easy storage and portability. Ideal for commuters or those with limited space, this e-bike can be effortlessly folded after a day's ride and carried home. Number 4. Gravistar Supernova. The Gravistar Supernova is a cutting-edge portable power generator that revolutionizes energy solutions. This innovative device harnesses the power of gravity to generate clean and sustainable electricity. By utilizing advanced gravitational principles, the Gravistar Supernova provides a compact and efficient energy source that can be easily transported and deployed in various settings. Its versatility makes it a game-changer for remote areas or emergency situations where traditional power sources may be unavailable. The Gravistar Supernova represents a leap forward in renewable energy technology, offering a promising solution for a greener and more accessible power future. Number 3. Gravistar Alpha 65. The Gravistar Alpha 65, another creation by Gravistar, breaks away from the ordinary charger mold. This visually striking product offers the convenience of charging 3 devices simultaneously. Harnessing the power of GaN technology, the Alpha 65 Duo ensures not only faster but also more energy-efficient charging. Its transformative design not only serves a functional purpose but also injects a sense of excitement into the charging experience. Say goodbye to mundane charging routines as the Alpha 65 introduces cutting-edge features, reducing waiting time for your electronic devices. It's a fusion of style and technology, allowing you to embrace the future of charging with enthusiasm. Number 2. Portable SSD Touch. The Portable SSD Touch is a compact and versatile storage solution designed for modern data needs. Crafted with portability in mind, this device offers the convenience of high-speed data transfer in a sleek and touch-sensitive package. Its compact form factor makes it an ideal companion for on-the-go professionals, content creators, and anyone who requires fast and reliable storage in a portable design. The touch-sensitive interface adds a user-friendly dimension to the device, allowing for easy and intuitive access to your stored data. With robust security features and ample storage capacities, the portable SSD Touch caters to both convenience and data protection, making it a reliable choice for those seeking a portable and secure storage solution in their daily endeavors. Number 1. Rotary Tool. A Rotary Tool is a versatile and handheld power tool that, through the use of various attachments, can perform a wide range of tasks. Typically featuring a high-speed motor, this tool is known for its adaptability in cutting, carving, engraving, grinding, polishing, and sanding materials such as wood, metal, plastic, and more. The heart of a Rotary Tool is its rotating accessory or attachment, which could include grinding stones, cutting wheels, sanding drums, and polishing brushes. Its compact and maneuverable design allows for precise and intricate work, making it a favorite among craftsmen, DIY enthusiasts, and hobbyists. Whether used for home improvement projects or intricate detailing, the Rotary Tool proves to be a versatile and indispensable tool for various applications. Would you like it? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channels for more interesting and informative videos.